Hi, welcome to this video. We will export the textures from Substance Painter to Unreal Engine 5. Keep watching. I have my assets and the textures. Go to File, Export Textures. In the first option, you will select the folder where you can save the textures. In Output Template, I will select the Unreal Engine 4 packet. In File Type, I like to export in Targa format. Size or resolution texture depends on our project, but I will export in 2K and click Export. If you pretend to export for Unity, you can select Unity Universal Render Pipeline Metallic Standard. I like to export in Targa, but if you will export for Blender, for example, select the PBR Metallic Roughness, and I like to export in PNG, and the size is 2K. If you export the textures with these settings, your textures have this long name. Back in the Substance Painter, clicking Output Templates, search for Unreal Engine 4 packet, and I will delete this and type T from textures, and I will repeat this for the others. Now, if you export the texture, the name is more short. In Unreal Engine, just drag and drop the asset and drag and drop the textures. Double click in the occlusion texture. In the right side, search for sRGB and uncheck. Click in the save and close the window. Double click in the X material and I will delete this. Select the three textures, pressing Shift and drag and drop here. This first texture, I will click in RGB and connect in base color. The second is the normal map. Select the RGB and connect in normal. R in ambient occlusion, G in roughness, and B in metallic. Apply and save. Select the X and drag and drop in the scene. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please comment below.